Road race Bangladesh. Hey everyone, this is Choy Chos and welcome to another video. I'm Itmam and again this is my cousin and brother Wafi. So right now, as you can see, we are in the same outfit. So it's the same day, but we're doing another vlog. And yes, we are going to GEC for the place is called GEC, and we are going to have some Rajkachuri. It's the big brother of food store, Pani Puri, whatever you want to call it. And currently we're stuck at Jam, but we're gonna bring you to the main content of the video very soon. Everyone, we're at the place. It's called Camry Snacks in GEC, and we are going to have Rajkachuri. Rajkachuri. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and show you how the Rajkachuri is made. Mama is making it. I can only see his hand. ভাই আপনি এটা কেমনে বানাচ্ছেন দেখা যাবে একটু দেখা যাবে কেমনে বানাচ্ছেন Okay, so that's how Rajkachuri is being made. Lots of stuff going in. Okay, the Rajkachuri is here. And we got some condiments too. It's tamarind, right? Tamarind juice. Actually sauce, it's not juice, it's sauce. Yeah. And let me dissect it a little bit. There's yogurt, there's the kachuri, fried noodles, pomegranate, and the potato mixture, of course. Okay, we're gonna try it and see how it actually tastes. Put this in. That's the way to eat it. Oh my god, it's so good. It's the burst of flavors that comes in your mouth when you just put it in your mouth. That's what she said as well. No, this is amazing. All the toppings of the ingredients, they match so perfectly and give the huge kick in your mouth. Spices, but it's not overwhelming. I love it. I think this is chomotkar level.
My God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone?
So Wafi is getting ready for his one. Come on. আচ্ছা
আমি জানতাম যে এটা তো ভালো লাগবে জন্য করে নিয়ে আসছি
আচ্ছা
যা বলার বলে গেছি যাবোটা ফ্লেভারটা নাও
But do you agree it's in the chomotkar level?
Obviously, that's why I brought you here.
Okay. So, first chomotkar experience in Choya Chos. Congratulations.
Camry food.
Camry Snacks. Good job on your Rajkachuri. I literally can get enough of this. I think I'm gonna order another one after this. I pretty much wiped the plate off.
That was quick.
0 to 100 real quick. So everyone, this was our first ever chomotkar experience at Camry Snacks. The Rajkachuri was amazing. We're gonna see you again in the next video. Why are you smiling?